Does your eyeshadow expire? Find out now! What to do with expired eyeshadow. Have you ever looked at your makeup collection and wondered if your eyeshadow might be too old to use? You're not alone. Eyeshadow does expire, and using old makeup can lead to skin irritation, infections, or breakouts. But don't worry, we're here to help you spot the signs. Most eyeshadows have a shelf life of 12 to 24 months, depending on their formula. Cream eyeshadows expire sooner than powders due to their higher moisture content. Let's explore how to tell when it's time to say goodbye to your old palettes. Not sure if your eyeshadow is past its prime? Start by checking its appearance. If your powder eyeshadow has hardened spots, faded colors, or started crumbling, it's a sign to toss it out. For cream eyeshadows, watch for dryness, separation, or an off smell. A change in smell is one of the biggest red flags. If your eyeshadow smells unusual or sour, it has definitely expired. Bacteria thrive in old makeup, so using it can lead to infections in delicate areas like your eyelids. Expired makeup isn't just ineffective, it can be harmful. Old eyeshadow harbors bacteria, which can cause redness, irritation, or even pink eye. It's not worth risking your skin and eye health for the sake of holding on to an old palette. Plus, the quality of expired eyeshadow is often poor. Its color payoff fades, and the texture may become chalky or clumpy, making it tricky to apply. Fresh products lead to better results and a healthier beauty routine. Want to make your eyeshadow last longer? Proper storage is key. Keep your makeup in a cool, dry place away from humidity. Avoid leaving it in your bathroom, where steam and moisture promote bacterial growth. Wash your brushes often to prevent transferring germs into your palettes. Always close lids tightly after use, and avoid using your fingers directly in the pan. Clean habits can help you get the most out of your products. Before you toss that old palette, consider repurposing it. Transform powder eyeshadow into a nail polish by mixing it with clear nail varnish. Shades you no longer use can also be used for creative DIY crafts like decorating cards or making art projects. If you're crafty, expired eyeshadow can even work as a temporary fabric dye for small projects. It's important not to use them on your face, but these creative ideas help you reduce waste while getting extra mileage from the product. Routine decluttering is essential to maintaining a safe and organized makeup collection. Take inventory of your products every 6 months. If a product is unused, smells off, or looks damaged, it's time to part ways with it. When shopping for new eyeshadows, don't forget to check the expiration symbol on the packaging. This open jar icon indicates how many months the product is good for after opening. Stick to this guide to keep your collection fresh and safe. Now that you know how to spot expired eyeshadow and why it matters, it's time to declutter, clean, and refresh. Make makeup hygiene a habit, and prioritize your skin and eye health over sentimental palettes. Your beauty routine deserves a clean slate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. Let's spread awareness about makeup hygiene and keep our beauty collection safe and organized. Comment below with your own tips and let us know your favorite palette cleaning hacks.